In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle Form 1095-C in TurboTax. If you're getting ready to file your taxes and you've received a Form 1095-C, this process is usually much simpler than people expect. The main thing to know is that in most cases, you do not need to manually enter the details from this form into TurboTax. Instead, you just need to understand what it's for and how to respond if TurboTax asks about your health coverage. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the TurboTax website. Sign into your TurboTax account and continue into your tax return. Once you're logged in, you can move through your return as normal. There's no need to search for a special section just for Form 1095-C right away, because this form is generally kept for reference rather than entered line by line. Before going any further, make sure you keep your Form 1095-C in a safe place with your other tax documents. This form is important for your personal records because it shows information about the health insurance coverage that may have been offered to you through your employer. Even though you typically won't type it into TurboTax, you should still save it in case you want to review it later or need it for documentation. As you continue working through TurboTax, pay attention to any questions about health insurance or health coverage. If TurboTax asks whether you had health insurance, simply select yes if that applies to you. For most filers, that is the key action related to Form 1095-C. It's helpful to remember that Form 1095-C is not the same as a tax form that always has to be entered manually. Many users assume every document they receive must be typed into their return, but that's not the case here. TurboTax is usually just trying to confirm whether you had coverage, not asking you to input every detail from the form. So the overall process is straightforward. Sign into TurboTax using Google Chrome, keep your 1095-C for your records, and answer yes if TurboTax asks whether you had health insurance. If the software gives you a more specific prompt related to health coverage, follow that prompt carefully. Otherwise, there's generally nothing else you need to enter from this form. That's it. This is one of those tax steps that sounds more complicated than it really is, and once you know that Form 1095-C is mostly for your records, the process becomes much easier to handle.